I have two psycho friends in my hallway, which is Teresa and my roommate Bibi, and they're deciding to do cartwheels at like midnight. And this is Teresa.
I'm doing one-handed cartwheel. One-handed cartwheel means one hand.
Shut the fuck up and just do it. Wait.
Okay, now I'm doing a roundoff.
Wait, let me stand right here.
Don't get hit.
Oh yeah, because last time he went into the wall. Holy shit, it's cold. Oh my god, oh my god.
Let me see.
Wait, baby, you try. I gotta catch her in case she falls. Go. Baby, you try it.
I'm gonna try.
Then I'll try it.
Okay.
I can't even do a cartwheel, so. Come on, baby, go, do it.
I'm gonna bust my head.
I can't even. Someone get the telephone. Oh my god. Wait, how do you do that shit?
I'm scared because I feel like I'm...
Girl, hurry up, I got a minute. Oh my god. I think I pissed myself. Oh man, I think I missed myself. Wait, let me try now. Let me try. You hold it. Wait, Teresa, you have to teach me real quick.
Okay.
I'm like totally.
You're filming your toes. Wait, don't click start. It's still filming. Right.
Oh, it is?
When you get to the cart, you guys do a cartwheel?
No.
Cartwheel is just this.
Wait, what?
You just push your body and do like...
You only have like 57 seconds left. Oh my god, you can see my slide mark right
I'm gonna imitate Bibi for you.